Can you develop your personal brand through social media networking? The answer is yes. Social media helps you to develop your personal brand by allowing you to showcase your skills, your expertise, and your interest to a wider audience. By constantly putting out valuable content in the internet and engaging with others, you can showcase yourself as a thought leader in your industry and can enhance your networking skills. Social media has become an integral part of our life, and it has also become an essential tool for our networking and building professional relationships. Social media has made it easier than ever to connect with people from all over the world. By using social media, you can reach out to potential employers, industry leaders, and experts from your field. Now, let us discuss some tips for leveraging social media for networking. Choose the right platforms. The first step in leveraging social media for networking is to choose the right platforms. Each platform has its own features and user base, so it's essential to choose a platform that aligns with your goals. LinkedIn is a popular platform for professional networking, whereas Twitter is a platform for industry-specific conversation. You have to choose the correct platform for your requirements. For example, if you're looking to connect with people from tech industry, then LinkedIn can be a great platform for you to showcase your skills and connect with people from tech industries. Optimize your profile. Once you have selected the platforms, now it's time to optimize your profile. Your profile is the first thing that the users will see, and it's important to create a first impression. Make sure that your profile picture looks professional and your bio shows your experience and your expertise. For example, if you are a graphic designer, then your profile should showcase your portfolio of work, your expertise, and the kind of tools you know, and also your experience. Engage with industry leaders. One of the great things about social media is that it allows you to engage with thought leaders and industry leaders. By engaging with them through comments, shares, and likes, you can build a relationship with them and potentially find new opportunities for yourself. For example, if you are interested in marketing, then by connecting with other marketing experts, you can gain expertise, knowledge, and it will also expand your network. Share your knowledge and expertise. Another way for leveraging social media for networking is to share your knowledge and expertise. By constantly putting out valuable content, you can establish yourself as an authority in your field, and you can also expand your network. For example, if you're a fitness coach, then you should create posts and videos about dieting, about exercise, or any other thing that is in your niche. Join groups and communities. Finally, joining groups and committees on social media can help you expand your network and will help you meet with like-minded individuals. These groups provide a platform for sharing your ideas, asking questions, and connect with others in your field. For example, if you are interested in entrepreneurship, then by joining groups like Entrepreneurship Network on LinkedIn, you can connect with other entrepreneurs and can enhance your networking opportunities. So there you have it. By using these tips, you can enhance your networking opportunities and potentially open new doors for your career. But wait, can social media help you expand your network? We will find that out in the next video. Till then, write down your thoughts on the comment section below and make sure to subscribe our channel. My name is Priyanshu and I will see you in the next video. Take care.